Hello everyone. Let's understand why do we get hiccups. People might be saying that we get hiccups when someone is thinking or remembering about us. But jokes apart, it's actually not like that. We get hiccups after a large meal or having carbonated beverages. Sometimes a sudden excitement or a kind of stress can cause hiccups. What happens in our body during hiccups? Let's see. So hiccups are caused by involuntary contraction of our diaphragm. Here is our diaphragm. What diaphragm is? It is a muscle that separates our chest from our abdomen. And what is abdomen? Abdomen is the part where all digestive and reproductive organs are placed. So hiccups are caused by involuntary contraction of our diaphragm, due to which our vocal cord will close briefly, and that creates a sound of hic. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of a vocal cord that creates a sound of a hiccup. Alright, I hope you understood this concept. For more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Biology Fundamentals. You can also follow me on Instagram for more educational content. Link is available in description box. Till then, keep learning and stay connected.